how to fix access denied for user root at localhost using no password error message. So if you're seeing this and you're not able to log into phpMyAdmin on your local computer, let's go and see how we can fix this, right? For troubleshooting MySQL connection errors locally, it's smart to stop Apache and MySQL and restart them, and then visit. And if we end up seeing access denied, let's go and fix that now. Let's press on config, let's press on my.ini. Let's close this. I'll show you where that file is so you see. XAMPP, here you have MySQL folder that's making MySQL work. In there we have bin folder. In there we have my.ini. So you can right click and edit. You can use Notepad++, just a notepad, or even Dreamweaver. Simply locate MySQL D within brackets and just make a room underneath it, and just write skip hyphen grant tables. Okay, so let's do that. We can save the document. So we've just edited my.ini. Now we can go and refresh, and we should be able to connect to phpMyAdmin. And obviously we are not still able to. That means let's stop, and let's stop this, let's start, and let's start Apache and MySQL. Now let's refresh, and voila, we just accessed phpMyAdmin. So this is how we fix access denied for user root at localhost using no password. Remember, this is your database, right? And let's imagine you're trying to log into a particular database. You have privileges here, and here is all the usernames and passwords and privileges accordingly. So let's imagine this user with the name root has access to localhost. Let's edit privileges. Here we can change password, or we can even select no password if we want. But it's smart to actually change password for MySQL accordingly. ApacheFriends.org has information in terms of changing, updating MySQL username passwords. So how-to guide for changing passwords. If you run into any issues after you follow these insights, simply visit Apache Friends forum. I thank you very much for learning with me. If you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like, and perhaps even share it, and definitely subscribe to Rankia YouTube channel, because if you're doing anything with web development, online marketing and Google, then my how-to videos are easy to follow and understand, and it has helped thousands of online marketers and website owners just like yourself. Once again, thank you for learning with me, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.